Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIB update today. And right now SHIB is doing something really ugly at the moment, and the technical target, guys, still pending, still pens. It's been a very long time, and right now let's dive into the daily and let me give you just that one recap that I'm talking about. Okay, so never am I ever going to trust something that doesn't really break a flag, and I told you so many times it's really important for SHIB to go up to 15,000 at least, come down for the retest and then continue higher. It never even really did that. Okay, all it did is break the flag and spend a little bit of a vacation down here fooling people that I'm gonna go up. No, the technical target is still pending. It never really met. Bitcoin went to this technical target, but SHIB, no, SHIB actually never did. And this is your technical target down there, okay? So that it's gonna have to come down to 996 at least potentially. So I'm actually gonna bring this blue line a little bit up here. Now at the moment, on the daily time frame, you do have these three red candles back to back, and these are known as three black rows. And the meaning of three black rows, that you're going to have a little bit of a push to the upside maybe, and then continue to go even way more lower to the downside. So be very careful. There's a little bit of a loss of support as well. So all in all, this is finally the time that we might see SHIB making its way to the downside. And I've been waiting for this for a long time now. So this is what you're losing right now. Okay, so there's a little bit of support that you've lost, and you're looking to actually continue all the way down to that price level. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.